Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into some Premiere Pro magic. Ever wanted to remove the background from your video? Well, you're in luck because I'm going to show you just how to do that. So, let's jump right in. First things first, head over to the Effects panel. And then search for Color Key. Once you find it, drag and drop it onto your video clip. Now, let's fine-tune it. Go to the Effect Controls panel and scroll down until you find the Color Key effect. See this little dropper icon? Click on it. Now, here's the fun part. Click on a part of your background in the preview screen. But wait, we're not done yet. See this wrench icon? Click on it and select Transparency Grid from the options. This helps us see what's transparent and what's not. Now, it's all about fine-tuning. Adjust the color tolerance, edge thin, and edge feather until your background completely disappears. But be careful not to overdo it and remove your foreground objects. And there you have it. Your background is gone like magic. And that's a wrap for today's tutorial. I hope you found it helpful. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome Premiere Pro tips and tricks. Until next time, happy editing!